Hello guys and welcome back to Wave of Wealth. Today I'm gonna show you how to change your store's currency on Shopify. Without any further ado, I don't want to steal any of your time, guys. Let's get started. On the left side, you can see down below bottom left corner is settings option. You need to press general right here. As you can see, general settings, like your store name, billing address and everything. And down below you can see, for example, is currency display. To manage the currencies customers see, go to markets. You can press on it, but we want to switch our currency right here. You need to press on these three dots on the right side, press on change store currency, guys. You can see, for example, right here, to Pakistani rupee. Why not? We can go to Mozambique Metikal if I'm right. Reason for changing. So you can select for either one of those 4 reasons. Testing payment processors not available in current currency. Default currency does not match my intended choice. Experimenting with different markets. That's also okay. And you can select other. If you press on other, they expect for you to fill this box right here and say to them, why are you changing to Mozambican Metikal, for example, right here, or Turkish lira or Tunisian dinar, guys. I mean, I don't know, but you get the point. If you want to change currency, 3 dots, change store currency, and that's basically it.